Hi, I'm Tinny from Mini Bowl Design, and this afternoon, for my second video, I'm going to tear down this bike right down to the bare frame and get it ready to paint. And if we get a warm day, I will sand it all down and fill in everything and paint it. Then we'll put it back together. So, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is remove the shifter and get that out of the way. Next, I think the handlebars would be a good place to start. Half inch. Okay, let's get that rear wheel off there next. And this little push rod, I want to make sure I don't lose that. There we go. Okay, let's get that rear wheel off there. I don't have a metric wrench, so have to go with the adjuster. Okay, I think the next thing is the front wheels. Just back in here so we don't lose it. Okay, let's get that tie rod off there and then the kingpins. Those ball bearings in there with the small stuff so they don't get wrecked. Okay, let's get that crank set off. Wrong wrench. Crankset. Okay, we got to take off that pulley. Seat cover off of there. Now I built the fire up. When I came out it was 0 here, and I built the fire up and it's probably 70 in here right now. It's actually getting a little hot. It only takes about 15-20 minutes to warm this garage up. It's fairly well insulated and it's not very big, and I've got a great big stove over there. Great big old Shenandoah stove. Too much stove for the shop, really. Okay, get that off of there. Okay. That pulley off right there. And yeah, we're ready to sand this down and paint it and put it back together. Cool beans. Captain's Log Supplemental. Some of you guys is asking me how I bent my conduit when I built my seat frame. I'm using just a regular aluminum 1/2-inch conduit bender that's designed to have a bar go through it right here and work on the floor. I took the bar out, put it in the vise, and let me move in here a little bit closer so you can see this a little better. There we go. And what I do is I go over to my pattern and mark it, and I know right where this bends, and I just creep along like this until I get the angle that I want. Okay, that's all there is to that. I'm Jimmy from Mini Bull Design. Get out and hike, take a friend, enjoy the great outdoors, and more important than anything, try to have some fun today, and try to have a really great day. Bye-bye!